According to estimates from the United States Department of Agriculture, there are currently about 2 million feral hogs in Texas alone, making up more than 40% of the total feral hog population in the entire United States. These animals eat everything: grains, grass, small animals, and they'll even rummage through landfills for food. This extremely varied diet is exactly what causes massive damage to agriculture and the environment in Texas. The USDA estimates that feral hogs cause around $2.5 billion in damage every year to Texas, farms, orchards, and ranches. The biggest part of that damage, up to $1.5 billion, comes from destroyed crops. On top of that, they tear up native forests, adding another roughly $5.5 billion in total losses. One really clever thing about them is that they sometimes play dead to trick people. Feral hogs are mostly active at night, raiding orchards, farms, and forests. They target areas with plenty of food, especially farmland and woods near residential zones. A typical sounder has 10 to 20 animals, but some huge groups can reach up to 100 hogs. They're fierce, they don't just attack wildlife, they'll threaten humans too. The burrows they dig make population control extremely difficult and cause long-lasting harm to both agriculture and the environment. Hunting feral hogs in southeast Texas is a super popular activity that attracts tons of hunters. Since these hogs are mostly nocturnal, night hunting offers an exciting challenge. Hunters in the area use specialized skills to successfully take them down after dark. For example, when a hog attacks a farm, the hunter steps in with a rifle and takes care of the problem. One of the main tactics is using strong hunting dogs to track and chase the sounders. At the same time, a powerful flashlight becomes an essential tool to see clearly in the darkness and quickly spot the target. According to the Texas Department of Agriculture and Infrastructure, around 250,000 feral hogs are taken each year in southeast Texas, and about 100,000 of those are killed during night hunts. Because their eyesight is poor in the dark, night hunting usually runs from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., the peak hours when hogs are most active. It's not just thrilling hunting, it's also a chance to practice unique skills and enjoy the beauty of nature at night. In South Central Texas, fun hog hunting competitions are frequently organized by hunting clubs, outfitters, or non-profit groups. These events usually happen between October and December, when hogs are packing on fat for winter, making them nice and plump, perfect trophies. Across the whole state of Texas, roughly 1 million feral hogs are harvested every year as part of the government's effort to control the population. Now, let's move to another region and see how farmers deal with invasive species. When food in the forest runs low, feral hogs move elsewhere. Farms become the perfect destination, offering a huge variety of food like corn, wheat, potatoes, and more. They hide and eat straight from the fields. The damage to agriculture is enormous. A single farmer can lose hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. These animals can run at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, so they easily invade farms near forests, especially in large groups that cause rapid, severe destruction. Many farms lack solid fencing. Their incredibly fast reproduction rate is one of the main reasons control is so hard. A single sow can produce hundreds of piglets in just a few years. The most effective basic defense is a strong fence at least 1.1 meters high, buried at least 30 centimeters into the ground. Farmers also use various traps, corral traps, figure-6 traps, or snare traps, placed near food or water sources to increase success rates. Hunting is an effective way to reduce numbers, but it must be done safely and responsibly. Eating feral hog meat is another great solution. It's highly nutritious and very popular. Promoting wild hog meat can ease the pressure on trapping and hunting while creating new income for communities. as long as it's done sustainably. Now let's talk about another invasive predator. The dingo, Australia's iconic wild dog, once played an important role in the ecosystem. But recently, their numbers have exploded and they've started moving into residential areas, causing huge economic losses and threatening community safety.
Guys. Oh.
The main cause is loss of natural habitat due to logging and expanding farmland, forcing dingoes to search for food in human areas. This invades our living space and sparks fierce competition with other wildlife. The result? They attack livestock and even enter neighborhoods. The economic damage runs into millions of dollars every year, hitting the livestock industry hard. Children are especially vulnerable. Encounters can have tragic, even fatal consequences. Uncontrolled dingo populations also upset the natural ecological balance. Control methods include hunting, tracking by footprints, using firearms with precision and patience, always following the law, cage traps baited with meat, safe and humane, and building sturdy fences or wire mesh around homes and communities to keep everyone safe. What do you think? Would you like the idea of training dingoes to become human companions? If yes, drop a 5 inches the comments. If not, leave a 0 and don't forget to share your thoughts below.